I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locating the Word file and opening it now. Use File Explorer or Spotlight to search the file name or check downloads and documents. This saves time. Once found, right-click and choose Open with Microsoft Word so formatting stays intact. If Word isn't installed, open with an alternative like LibreOffice to preserve content. Make sure the file extension is doc or docx to avoid compatibility surprises, and keep the file path simple for easy future access. You now edit with safe practices that prevent lost work. Enable track changes if others will review your edits. Use styles, heading, normal, list, because they maintain consistent formatting and simplify navigation. Insert images or tables with insert tools and then adjust layout using wrap text so content flows correctly. Once you make major edits, save as a new version like File v2. docx. This preserves the original. Also make sure Auto Recover is on in Word Preferences to protect against your finishing by exporting and sharing the document correctly. Export to PDF when you need a fixed layout. Use File Export or Save as PDF. To collaborate, use Share in Word or attach the file to email, and set Edit/View permissions appropriately so recipients can't overwrite content unexpectedly. If Word won't open the file, try File Open and Repair, or restore the last saved copy from backups. If that fails, copy the raw text into a new document and rebuild formatting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.